This video describes how to convert decimal values to fractional form. 0.5. So if it was a 5 and the decimal got moved 1 to the left, that would be the same as dividing by 10. So 5 over 10 is the same as 0.5. 5 over 10 can be reduced because I could write the 5 as 5 times 1. I could write the 10 as 5 times 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. So 0.5 could be converted to a fraction. You probably could have done that one without that, but I just wanted to show you that process because it can get trickier. You probably know this one as well, but that could have been a 25 and then the decimal was moved 2 places to the left to get it 0.25. So if it was a 25, what would I have done to move the decimal 2 places to the left? I would have divided by 100. So 0.25 and 25 over 100 are the same value. 25 over 100 can be reduced. I might notice that 25 could be factored as 5 times 5, and 100 could be factored as 5 times 20. Well, 5 can be written as 5 times 1, and 20 could be written as 5 times 4. So once I reduce that fraction of 25 over 100 to simplest form, then I can see that 0.25 is the same as 1/4. 0.125 could be written as 1/25 over something that would move the decimal 3 places to the left. That is dividing by 1,000. So then I just have to reduce that fraction. I can see that this 125 ends in 5, so I know that 5 is one of the factors. If I divide 125 by 5, I get 25. So 5 times 25 is 125. 5 times 200 is 1,000. I could just divide that 1,000 by 5 to find the 200. So 25 over 200, let's reduce that. Let's factor it to 5 times 5 over 5 times 40. I'm dividing the 200 by 5. 5 over 40. Well, I could write that as 5 times 1 over 5 times 8. I just happen to know that 5 times 8 is 40. If you don't know that, just go ahead and divide the 40 by 5 and get 8. So 0.125 as a decimal is 1/8 as a fraction. The same value, just written in different forms. How about 0.15? So that would be 15 over 100. Well, let's see, that could be 5 times 3. That would be 5 times 20. I've factored my 100 into 5 times 20, my 15 into 5 times 3. I can cancel a factor of 5 that's both on the top and on the bottom. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So that fraction reduces to 3/20. 3 is not a factor of 20. So that is as simple as that fraction goes. Let's try 0.32. That would be the same as 32 over 100. I can see if that's an even number, it's going to at least have a factor of 2. So it could be 2 times what? 32 divided by 2 is 16. And 2 times 50 is 100. Oops. 2 times 50 is 100. So it could be reduced to 16 over 50. Both of those are even numbers. So that could be 2 times 8 is 16, and 2 times 25 is 50. Well, 8 has factors of 2 and 4. Neither of those are factors of 25, so that's as simple as that one goes. How about 0.48? Well, that would be the same as 48 over 100. Well, I can see 4 times 12 is 48. I just happen to know that one. And I know 4 times 25 is 100. So that's 12 over 25. Let's see, 12 has factors of 3 and 4. 25 does not have either of those as factors. So that is as simple as it goes for a fraction